Finding good quality turmeric in the USA for consumption is important to ensure you get the maximum health benefits and flavor. Here are some options where you can buy high-quality turmeric. Local grocery stores. Visit well-established grocery stores or supermarkets in your area. Look for organic or reputable brands that offer high-quality spices. Health food stores. Health food stores often carry organic and premium quality turmeric. Brands like Frontier Co-op, Simply Organic, or Thrive Market typically offer high-quality spices. Specialty food stores. Explore specialty food stores or ethnic markets that focus on spices and international ingredients. They may have a variety of turmeric options. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon, Thrive Market, Herb, and VitaCost offer a wide range of turmeric products, including organic and high-quality options. Local farmers markets. Check your local farmers markets for freshly sourced turmeric from local farmers. This can be a great way to support local growers and obtain fresh, high-quality turmeric. Herbal and health stores. Visit stores that specialize in herbs and health products. They often carry quality turmeric, sometimes even in bulk. Indian grocery stores. Indian grocery stores typically have a good selection of turmeric, as it's a staple in Indian cuisine. Look for reputable brands. Cooperatives and bulk stores. Cooperative stores that sell in bulk may offer cost-effective options for purchasing larger quantities of turmeric. Online specialty spice retailers. Consider purchasing from online retailers that specialize in spices and herbs, such as Penzeys Spices or The Spice House. Local farms or growers. Check with local farms or growers in your area who may sell turmeric directly to consumers. Ensure you check the product details, certifications like organic or fair trade, and customer reviews to ensure the quality of the turmeric before making a purchase. Additionally, consider factors like the form powdered, fresh rhizomes, and choose according to your preferences and intended use.